Hi, 7th grade Cougars. Here are your directions for your daily practice for Monday, September 28th and Tuesday, September 29th. Make sure you do your attendance. Make sure that you clicked on my picture video to get instruction for today. And this will be the video that's giving you directions for your assignments. Make sure you have clicked on your team video to see how your assignment has been modified for you. The standard: determine 2 or more central ideas in a text and analyze their development over the course of the text. Provide an objective summary of the text. Learning targets: I can determine 2 central ideas in informational text. I can write an objective summary. Teach Learn: read the informational text. Malaya. Okay, this is found on Newsela, and Newsela has an option that will read the item to you. You are not, once again, not to answer the questions on Newsela. We are just using that selection to work with. I would like for you to do 2 column notes though. You're going to write at least 2 important messages or central ideas one can take from the text. And then from that, you're going to write an objective summary of the text. An objective summary just gives the facts, no opinions. Get details from the text that help explain who, what, when, where, how, and why. All of this information should be included in your objective summary. You are going to submit a copy of this and your notes to me via Canvas. Your closing question from today, which will be the last thing that you will submit to me today. You're going to answer these questions in your notebook. Take a photo and send me a picture of your answers. What should an objective summary include, and what do central ideas share? Okay. Make sure that you submit these 3 items: your Cornell notes, your objective summary of the text, and your closing questions for today. If you have any additional questions, please email me, Google Voice me, or remind me. Have a great day, Cougars. Bye.